I'm Dave Vidmar with the GlideCycle Company, one of your trainers. And today I want to do a little example of some of the problems very, very early beginners have. After you have your seat set up perfectly, you feel really good, your knees should be slightly bent, and you should feel comfortable with your feet easily touching the resting footrest, and your hands comfortably here, and the bar not too close. We all know that because your trainer helped you get that far. Now when you go out on your first ride, one of the problems people have sometimes is they put all their weight on their arms, and their arms and shoulders get tight. That's normal. So what you need to do, even standing, is put your brake on and practice holding on with just a finger or two and using your core to hold your body up. Upright, upright, upright. Not but upright. And that'll start to train your core muscles. Great, that's one thing. The second is some people will walk really slowly carrying their body weight, like and that's not what we want to do. What we want to do is take the weight off of your feet and get the bicycle moving. Bicycles are more stable once they're moving. They're very unstable when they're going slow. But once they're moving, they're good. So we want to see you get down into the seat. Lift your feet off the ground. Get used to what it feels like to be unweighted. And then just simply start moving from there. I'm going a little uphill now. I'll turn around. I'm on a little bit of a hill, but this is what we want you to do. Move your legs. Count 1 second between 1001, 1002, 1003. And even at that slow speed, you're taking your body weight off of the ground and putting it into the seat. So just a quick review. Start using your core muscles to stay up. Then don't walk with the bike, carrying your body weight, but glide away to your future. Bye-bye.